Hi, my name is George Herrera, and I am a passionate promoter of the infinite banking concept. I'm going to present the advantages of this powerful process so you can control your money. Money has to reside somewhere. If we come up with some money or we want to accumulate money, where do we put this money? What features should this platform have? It must be safe. You don't want to wake up one day and find out that the money that you worked so hard to build, to accumulate, disappear. You want to own and control this platform. You don't want to deposit money on somebody else's account that they change the requirements and then you don't have access to it. Of course, you want immediate and restricted access to your money. You want your money to grow efficiently and with guaranteed growth. How many platforms out there offer you that you have immediate and restricted, no question asked to your money and guaranteed growth? You want your money protected from creditors. In case you run into a problem, you don't want to be sued and your money disappear. You can you want to use it as a collateral so you can benefit from having this capital. You can engage in transactions, use it as a collateral and profit from it. It can be transferred. That's what control is about. Your money grows tax deferred. That's important because when money is taxed, the growth is very restricted. You want to be able to take your money out and taxed. And you want to transfer it to your heirs, to your loved ones, free of tax also. So what is this platform? Is that something that you would like to have? Is that the type of platform that you would like to use to grow your money? Then open your mind because this platform has been around you for more than 200 years. So you have to put aside your preconceived ideas. The infinite banking concept. What is it? The infinite banking concept is the work of Nelson Nash, who around 1980 found himself upside down in some investments, and he found out that by being able to take loans out of his life insurance policies, he could replace the commercial loans that he had, so he got out of the problem. After that, he dedicated himself to teach the American public about this powerful strategy. So what this strategy is, it is a specially designed dividend paying whole life insurance policy with a mutual life insurance company. All those requirements are very important for this process to work the way it does. So you are able to grow capital and use it to finance your needs and projects. This particular process allows the owner to recapture most of the interest that is paid to financial institutions and excess taxes that are paid to the government. So the owner can redirect his money towards an entity that he owns and controls. This process is very powerful. So what happens when you implement your infinite banking concept, when you set up your privatized banking system? You recapture most of financing costs. Everything that we do in life is finance. We either pay somebody else to use their money or we give up the interest if we use our money, if we spend our money. You will have much better control of your money. Your money will grow tax deferred. You will have immediate and restricted access to your money, no questions asked. When you take loans or withdrawals from your policy, nobody is going to ask you what are you going to do with this money and why are you taking it out. That's not their business. They won't call you. So what happens when you implement the infinite banking concept? Continuation, well, you are building equity, you are building capital. With any payment that you make on your loans, you are replenishing the capital that you are able to use again and again. Any additional deposit that you send into your policy becomes more capital for you to use. So by using the infinite banking concept strategies, the death benefit of the underlying whole life insurance policy grows very strongly, and your loved ones will receive that. By depositing in and loaning from your policy, you secede from banks. This helps society because by you working with the insurance industry instead of the banking industry, you help to put a check on inflation. Banks are necessary, but they practice fractional reserve lending, and that is immoral and fraud. We are not saying that we are going to eliminate banks. Society cannot work without banks, but fractional reserve lending must be stopped. If you have any questions, please send them to jherrera at infinitebanking.com or call me at 954-343-8747. Again, jherrera at infinitebanking.com or call me at 954-343-8747.